guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Prescription Nurse, your daily dose to living well. I'm Chandra Eldridge, your nurse consultant, back with another beauty video. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at some products I got from Ipsy. I got my November bag, and I got it. This is my first bag, actually. I just subscribed to this subscription service where you get trial size or sometimes full size beauty products. So this is my first bag. I got it at the beginning of December, so that's why I'm doing this bag. I have another bag coming for December, but I'm going to review my first bag and tell you guys what I think, and then kind of just share some of these products with you. So this is the Glam bag. It's just a smaller bag, and I believe it comes with 4 to 5 products in it. And in this bag I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. Let's just open it up and see. And I'm just going to be trying these products out and probably do like a full face. So this is like a clear gloss with some glitter in it, so we'll see how this works. This is the Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse. I have some of this already, and this is a very good cleanser. It's hydrating, and it just gives your skin this youthful glow and look. So this is the Tatcha Deep Cleanser, and this is a nice size. Like if you didn't really want to spend money on the full size and you want to try it out, this is a great way to do it. This is Rock Out mascara in a tube. I've never seen mascara in a tube like this, so this will be interesting. And it's in the color black, so I'll be using this as well. And then this one looks like it is Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one on now. It smells just like banana. Let's try it out. Ooh, it's very smooth and soft. Oh, and it smells so good. It smells like a banana Laffy Taffy. That's what it kind of reminds me of. See, it looks like this. And I like the consistency. It's like a souffle. Very light and fluffy. Feels very moisturizing. And I can already see I have a little glow. It's time for the deluxe bag. And oh, I also got this brush in the other bag. This looks like a foundation brush by MOTD Perfect 10. So I'll be using this brush as well. Let's see. Ooh, this is nice. Very soft, good quality. So in this deluxe bag, I got some more mascara. This is Tray Stick. A lot of these brands, y'all, I haven't even heard of. So that's why this is so interesting, and I'm excited to try. Okay, look at this little apparatus. Let's see. This is a 2-in-1 lash curler. Whoa, okay. Flip down to curl. Okay, I'm gonna have to read up on this before I stick my eyelashes between my eyelids. Or I don't use an eyelash curler, but we'll see. But this is nice if you're into that and you use it. Got this in the deluxe bag. I have to read up more on that one. And then I got some more moisturizer. This is a moisturizing cream, Condition and Restore. This is from Kate Somerville, Goat Milk. I'll probably try this one in another video, but let's go ahead and open it up since I already put some of the other on. Now this looks like a full size. Smells good already. Ooh, it smells really clean. Let me just, so you can see on the top the consistency here, kind of like milk. It looks very moisturizing. So I'm excited to use this. I'll probably use this tomorrow. But I'm gonna rub this in my hands. It feels very silky. which is good. So far so good. You get really good size products, and these are high-end premium products too. And so next I got some brushes here, and these are Beautiful BU by Farrah. So I'm going to use these. And then also I got a palette from Violet Voss. Let's take a look at it. I actually have a palette from this brand that I haven't even used. This will be great for travel if you're traveling. Oops, brand new. So I'm going to use this. And lastly, in this bag, I have some more lip gloss. And this is from Tarte, Sugar Rush from Tarte. Without further ado, let's get into this look. Let's see what I come up with. So my eyebrows are already done. I did those already, save some time. And I'm gonna start off with just priming my eyelids. And I'm gonna use these brushes from Farrah. They feel very sturdy, very soft. And I failed to mention that with this subscription, you get to choose, like, it's customizable to the products that you like, the products that you're interested in, and also your skin tone. So that's another good thing about the subscription service if you're interested in trying it. Now, like I said, this is my first kit with it, so we'll see how it goes. But like I said, I'm going to start off, I'm just going to prime my eyelids with some concealer. I already did my brows, and this is just some concealer from More. So you conceal just so that it helps the shadow to last longer and adhere to the eyelids. So let's get into this palette by Violet Voss. This came in the November Ipsy Glam Bag. So I think I'm going to start with, I'm going to use these brushes from Farrah. This also came in the Glam Bag. And I'm going to start with this color right here, Teddy. This kind of ginger brownish color. I go here. I like these neutral colors. So let me know if you guys have Ipsy or are already using it or interested in using it. And if you already have it, let me know, what do you think about it? What's your likes and dislikes about it? Have you had any issues, concerns with it? Drop me a comment below. Yeah, I've just been so tired lately. I have so much stuff that I need to be working on, but it just seems like all I feel like doing is just coming home and taking a nap. I think I'm gonna do that champagne color, but I'm gonna go in with Chocolate just to kind of get more color here on the lid. So far I like this palette. I can tell you the pigment is pretty good. It's pretty pigmented, and this is a great palette if you're just getting ready real quick and you're just trying to do your makeup real quick. Let's take this flatter brush with champagne, and then I'm just gonna go right on the lid. And it is definitely champagne. Very, very pretty. Yeah, this is definitely a good palette to take if you're traveling. You can use it every day. These colors are very nice for that. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of this peachy up here on top. So this one is Teddy. One of the colors I also use. It's right here. Hope you can see that. And then this one is Chocolate. Almost the same color as Teddy, just a little bit darker. So they're not showing up that great, but on my lids you can see them. They are pretty pigmented. Like, they're pigmented enough. It looks better on my lids. But so far, so good with that. I do like the brushes, good quality brushes. So now moving on, I'm going to go ahead on and put on some foundation. I am going to use my Juvia's Place foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on so we can try out the other products. So I'm not just going to contour with the Black Radiance contour stick. It's actually a foundation stick. I'm going to take one of the brushes and then just go down. So now I'm going to go with the Juvia's Place concealer. We're going to conceal. So now before I apply the falsies, I'm going to try this mascara. This is Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara. Batik Black. And let's see. Ooh, I like this. It's goes on very rich for your natural lashes. Oh yeah, this is nice. Probably don't even need no falsies with this. The brush on this, the applicator brush, is very uniquely shaped to help separate your lashes and extend them. So it gives your natural lashes a lot of volume. Look at that. Let me just kind of zoom in a little bit so you can see. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my falsies. I like that mascara. I would wear this alone without any falsies. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of setting powder just to set my concealer. So now I'm going to go in with the lip gloss from Tarte, Sugar Rush. Kind of like that old school. And then I'm gonna go over the top of it with this Anastasia. Ooh, look at that. This kind of gave it like a little iridescent purple hue to it. And so far, y'all, I think these products are worth it. Like this Violet Voss palette, the pigments they're okay. I mean, they're pretty much standard. But I definitely will take this as a travel palette. It's nice and small, perfect for travel. I do like the lip gloss, definitely. I mean, you can just find use for lip gloss. Moisturizer, always need. One's a full size, this is a trial size. I think they're both great. I like the mascara, the brushes. I think it's worth it. I'm very happy with my first box. So if you want to try it, I would give it a thumbs up. So far so good. I'm looking forward to my next box. I think my next box is just going to be more skincare products. So I'm going to be doing a skincare video on that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just finish this look and give you my final thoughts, and I'll be right back. I'm back, and this is the finished look using my products from the Ipsy bag that I received for November. I got the Glam bag and then just the regular, I think it's Glam bag and then Glam bag Deluxe. So I got both of them and I truly enjoyed all the products. If you are looking to subscribe, I would say yes, especially if you are just wanting to try out new products without having to spend a lot of money. You can get the trial size. The bag, the regular bag, I think is just $12, $12.97, and then like the glam bag deluxe is $29.97, about 30 bucks. So I spent about 40, almost 50 bucks for the monthly subscription because I do both. Because I really like makeup and trying out. If it's not something that you're into, and you're not into trying out different products and stuff, I would say don't go for it because it could be a bit pricey at 50 bucks a month. I'm just trying it out. You know, if I continue to see products and get products that I like, then I will continue to keep the subscription. Also, like I mentioned, you can customize, you can pick the products you're interested in, and you can also add on products for an additional charge. So head over to Ipsy.com and check out the website, and you know, just browse around and see if it's something that you might be interested in. And I'm not paid to do this. I just, you know, was interested in trying the products, and I really think it's worth it if you're into doing your makeup and you like trying different things. So anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. Share with your friends and family, because on this channel we stay lit, we learn, we invest, and we teach. We learn the tools and the resources we need to stay healthy and be well and be beautiful, and then we invest in those tools and then we teach others how to do the same. So if you're into that, hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.